Hi, welcome back to MC Rentals. I'm Nick Thorne, the Fleet Maintenance Manager. What we're going to do today is we're going to do a little bit of a tour around the site, and we're going to see what the different departments do on a day-to-day basis and maybe have a chat with a few of the staff. So let's go. Okay, so in reception right now, which is the front office of the hire team, and we've got a couple of the hire team guys here I'd like to introduce you to. We've got Jake here and we've got Jordan. Jordan, do you want to give us a couple of words on what you do on a daily basis?
So mainly we deal with the returns of vehicles. We also check vehicles out basically for damages and any signs of wear and tear. And then really that's down to everybody else after that, I suppose.
Excellent. Okay, thanks for that. We'll pop along into the next department then. So we'll pop in here now, and here we find Liam. Liam is our general manager on site here in the rental department.
Good.
Hello, Liam.
Hello.
Can you give us an idea of what you do on a day-to-day basis, mate?
Well, as general manager, I'll sort of look after the operation side of the business, whether that be the workshop or the drivers, making sure when a vehicle comes back, we turn it round, get it ready to go back out as quick as we can.
And a very good job you do as well.
Thanks, Nick.
Thanks, Liam. We are now in the maintenance office, and this is where we ensure the vehicles stay on the road, basically, for as long as possible, doing the work that they're designed to do. We've got Jade here and Hannah, for example, beavering away. And what we'll do now, we'll go and have a little chat with Chris, who's the technical manager here in the maintenance department. Hello, Chris.
Oh yeah, how are you?
Chris, can you give us an idea of what goes on here on a to the day-to-day basis?
Yeah, so the guys in the team will between the hours of 8 till 5 will answer any breakdown calls, any drivers stuck on the side of the road and handle the calls accordingly. Any suppliers that need authorisation for costs and repairs, vehicles in the workshop or roadside, we would deal with that. Also setting up new suppliers and dealing with any customer issues.
Okay, excellent. Thanks very much, Chris.
No problems.
Let's pop through onto the next department then. So we're going to check out this office now. This is where I'm supposed to be sitting at the moment, and my job as the fleet manager is I'm responsible for the whole of the fleet. That's the budgeting of the maintenance department, ensuring that vehicles are kept on the road as long as possible, managing the team next door, and managing suppliers, and ensuring that they're doing the best work they can possibly for our customers. And yeah, that's what I basically do on a day-to-day basis. And we'll pop in and have a look at another department. We've come upstairs now, and we've landed here in the pre-owned sales department. So these guys aren't here at the moment. That's because they're out with customers and selling them nice, shiny, pre-owned, pre-loved vehicles. While we're up here, we'll have a quick chat with Gina, who's our Group Business Development Director. Hi, Gina.
Hello.
Could you give us a little bit of an idea of what your day entails here?
Yeah, so I look after business development for MC Rental, where I'm unlocking new business opportunities, and I also look after the socials, which is generating hundreds of thousands of visitors. And that's me.
Thank you very much, Gina.
Thanks.
We'll go out to the next department then. We've come outside again into the sunshine for a brief period, and we come into the one of the workshops we have here on site at MC Rental. And I just wanted to introduce you to Jeff, who's our in-house technician. Hi, Jeff.
Hi, thanks.
Could you give us an idea of what you do on a brief day-to-day basis, Jeff?
It's not briefly, but I get to service the vans, give them a check over. We get people that buy the used vans or first used cars off of us, so they have to be checked as nice and safe before they go out. We've also got the trucks here. You can see this fella here has got quite a few components on it. It's not had a good life, but we're going to make it look pretty by the time it's done.
Excellent. Thanks, Jeff.
All right.
We're here at the moment in the valeting bay, and this is where the vehicles have their final prep before going out to a customer, whether they bought it or if it's going out on hire. See Andrew here, he's de-stickering a vehicle, and Tracy's up in the cab there. I don't know if you can just make her out there. And the idea in here is basically to make the vehicle look as close to when it came out of the factory as we can. And we're very proud that your vehicles leave here in a very, very good condition indeed. that pretty much concludes our little walk around today at MC Rental. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click on the link below for our website. See you next time.